Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be drawing Gogeta. So it's because the new movie is out, the new Broly movie. It looks really good. So let's get right into it and go start with his face. So his face is really in the bottom half of the page. So it's mostly hair up here. So the bottom half of the page is where his face will be, and we're going to go right in and we're going to start with his the middle of his eyes, those frowns in the middle. So you just do straight line down, just like that, and then it curves around both sides, like that. And then we have those characteristic eyebrows that most Dragon Ball Z characters have. Well, all the Saiyans anyway. That way. Curves up that way. And this meets a piece of hair here, so this just comes down to a spike and then comes back up, just like that. And then the rest of that eyebrow keeps coming out the other side, just there. We have a bit of eye behind that fringe there, and the rest of his eye is under there. We have that semicircle for his iris, the colour part of his eye, just there. And then we have a couple of frown lines just on top to show his brow. Now we're going to jump over and we're going to do the other eyebrow. So it comes across, then goes up this way. Comes up there at the end. And then it curves back down and gets thinner as we go down and joins the middle there again. Under there we have that semicircle for the eye, and then that rectangular sort of eye just there. Then down from that we have his nose, so we just do a straight line down. Oh, I forgot the brow line up here, sorry. Straight line down for the nose, curves diagonal down this way, and then kicks back up there. Then there's a line for the other nostril on the other side, just there. And then we have his mouth. It's really close to the bottom of his nose, so it comes across, so as if his mouth is closed, and then it comes up. And then we have a little curved line for the smile, just there. So now we have those, so the sides of the face. So just beside the eyebrow here, we're going to do a line down this way. And you could do the same on the other side. And if you get them around the same level, that'll make it look more symmetrical. And this starts to curve towards the chin then. So it curves in. It's like that. Curves in there and then curves around the chin. And we have a little line here for the chin there. Now, so we have ears then, just this side. First, you do that. And you do the same on the other side. Doesn't have to be exactly the same. Then we have the lines for the bones and ligaments. First you do that. And you give that sort of shape. Lines there. You can do these any sort of way, and it'll still look like, the easiest way I think is just like a letter J in there. But you can do them many different ways. Not many people look at those parts of the ears. They don't really investigate that too much. It's more about the eyes and the face and stuff like that. Now, so we can do the rest of his hair. So as I said, his hair is massive. So we'll finish that fringe. So it comes up, down, it's right, finishes about the middle of his face there. Just like that. We'll add some hairlines in there. if I'm going too fast, you can make sure you slow down the video or pause it every now and then, just so you get things in the right place. His sideburns just here line up with the end of his eyebrows. See that? And there's some little darker sections just there. And then this will curve around those Vegeta style hairline that he has. So the hairline curves up like that first. You could do that on this side too. Just there. They're about the same on both sides, see? And then this curves down like that. And then this one does the same, curves down like that. So that's like Vegeta's sort of hairline. I think I said that already, sorry. Right, his neck, just down here. Might as well while we're here. Lines in there for the neck. So these are the muscles on the sides of his neck. Comes down from the jawline. See that? The corners of the jaw. And then you have lines in there for the neck. Muscles. And then the Adam's apple. Just there. With the inside of his clothes, so his collar curves down this way. Another one curves down that way. And then he has those really large bumps, but that comes from hair, so we have to actually do hair first. Okay, so we'll do his hair. So we'll do the first spikes for the hair, just there, those small ones. See, and those, hair moves, so it doesn't have to be the same on both sides, because they could be symmetrical, but it doesn't really matter because it's hair. And then we have, now we can do that part of the collar that comes down that big round part of Gogeta's collar. Those bumpy bits that I'm not really sure what they are really. It's kind of a weird costume when you think about it. So let's not think about it. Okay. Up. Sorry, I'm doing muscles now, just here under the neck. And there's that massive collar, and he's a big shoulder one as well, and they have these little curving lines that just show the shape of it. That's kind of bumpy. See that? And we can do the same over here as well. This one will curve that way. Pretty similar to the one on that side. And then we'll have this line like that, curving lines just there, and then we'll go do the other shoulder. Just comes off this way, and it has another one of those curving shoulder pads there that go off my page right to the edge. Of course, if you wanted to keep going, if you had more room in your page, I'm just using an A4 page, so it stops here. You could draw those shoulder pads more that way. Right, so the rest of his hair. So these spikes curve up. So it's like, that's only half an A4 page is his face. The rest is hair. So tiny face, massive hair. Typical Dragon Ball. So now what we got to do is start those spikes that come out and get gradually bigger up the sides. So we go up this way. One spike. We can go over here, do one that way, and again, they don't have to be around. One can be higher than the other. It'll probably make it look a bit more interesting to draw on anyway. Just there. So you don't have to be too precious. You just want to get that general shape that's like, it's like a flame, it's like a candle flame going up to a point. So the point is like right up here at the top of my page. Then we have another one just in here. And this one comes back. And another one there. And all the while we're going this direction. See the way it's Starts as a bowl and then slowly goes more into the middle. And then we have that big one right there. And it curves back to that. And then there's one more in here we can fit. Like that. And he has two right here, kind of sort of devil horn style ones. So we go up. It starts to curve this way. And it comes back down. Come back down and curves back here. And then we have another one this side, very similar. They kind of mirror each other. So we can go up that way. And then curve up just past this one. And then I'll come back down to there. And then back in to the hairline just there. And then he has all lines just to show that it's hair all over it. So there's these lines, one there, here. Are many fans of Dragon Ball? I am. I know a lot of people who watch my videos are Naruto fans. They get a lot of views, the Naruto ones. But I'm a big fan of Dragon Ball. I grew up watching it. I sort of started... It was the first anime that I would have started to draw when I was younger. I think I still have sketchbooks from when I was a kid, when I was about 12, of some of these characters that I drew. Mostly Goku. Because when you're a kid, you just like the main character, usually. You just keep adding these hairlines. I can't believe it's still going, Dragon Ball. How many years is it going now? I mean, that is some impressive anime longevity right there. And it's still good. It's still really good. So, let's see. I think that's everything. So there he is, Gogeta. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for all the support. It's amazing. This has been so much fun to do all these drawings and videos. I'll see you again real soon.